Hi everyone, I'm Anita. I'm a holistic nutritionist, a health and wellness coach. I help busy people make lifestyle modifications for a healthy living. So today's topic is on constipation. So I've been, frequently getting questions from people asking since the lockdown has started. I have had constipation. It was never there before, but suddenly it has, recurred now. It has occurred now. So what do I do about this? So here are like three simple remedies that you can follow, and these are all Ayurvedic remedies, time tested, so there are no side effects, and it will really help. Okay, so first thing is why do we have constipation is something that you need to understand. In Ayurveda, it is said that if the vata of the body increases, then you'll have constipation issues. But then the reason for that could be because of the limited amount of water intake. So check how much of water you're taking in. At least 3 to 3.5 liters of water is advisable per day for all adults. In case you are decreased on the amount of fiber that you're consuming, then also constipation occurs. So say you were eating a lot of fruits or vegetables because you're following a certain pattern of diet when you're working. Now that you're at home, you might be just forgetting to eat these things, so that might be one of the reasons why you've started having constipation. Being sedentary for a very long time can also lead to constipation. Also, the fact that your stress levels might have increased because of the lockdown, then also constipation is a possibility. So one simple thing that you can start doing if you have a mild to moderate constipation would be taking 2 teaspoons or about 5 to 6 ml of ghee, cow's ghee, in hot milk in the night, 1 hour before you go to bed. Say about 100 to 150 ml of hot milk with cow's ghee in it will be really helpful for you. The next thing that you can do is wake up in the morning and have warm water with at least half a lime squeezed into it without any other sorts of additives, no salt, no sugar, nothing. Just a warm glass of water with lemon squeezed into it is an excellent remedy for mild to moderate constipation. In case your constipation is like very high and it's very difficult for motions to happen for you, then the best remedy would be castor oil, consumption of castor oil. You get edible castor oil in the market. You can take 1 tablespoon of castor oil in hot water. It is really difficult to gulp this, but just gulp it like a medicine, and it'll clear out your system. So you can't do this on everyday basis, the castor oil remedy. The other two you can do on an everyday basis. The castor oil can be repeated once a week or 15 days once, based on how severe is your constipation levels. Okay, so I hope these three remedies will help you relieve from constipation, and also make sure that you drink enough water, increase fiber intake in your food, and make sure that you're moving around. Try sitting down for some time during the day. So all these things can really help you in relieving constipation. We'll come up with a new set of remedies tomorrow. See you till then.